Hello everybody, welcome again to my channel. I'm Romina Massa from Doll of a Kind, and today we are going to swap Addy's eye. So here I choose a green jade eye for her. So let's do this. Well, everybody knows what do you need. A good spoon, a glove, because the head is gonna be very hot. And this tool, that is a toothpick tool, to position the eyes once they are inside the doll. So remember that with Doll of a Kind eyes, it is more easier to swap the eye. In just one hit, you can change both sides because they are smaller. As you can see, the different size. I don't know if you can see here. Doll of a Kind eyes is smaller. The American Girl doll eye is wider, so the whole case is bigger. So it's difficult to swap the eyes. Instead, Doll of a Kind eyes is smaller. The case is smaller, but the eyes inside is the same measure, the same pupil, the same iris. So you don't have to be worried. And remember, this is metal. Yes, this is very important because this defines the quality of the eyes. And the back of the case, it has a purpose shape, which is make the swap more easier and never deform with the heat. So you don't have to be worried when you are swapping the eyes with a spoon. The back case never change the shape, so never you are gonna be damaging the mechanism of the eyes, the open and close eyes. Okay, well, as I told you before, my suggestion is that you have to heat at least 5 minutes the head, because it's not only question of heat the head from inside. You have also heat the zone where is the eyes for the outside. Here is Addy. You have to heat this part. So I use a container to concentrate the heat in the doll. But this time the doll is very hot, so I'm going to put my gloves, because I'm going to, with this hand, I have to hold it. So we are here is one. This is, here is two. And right now I'm going to put Doll of a Kind eyes. Be careful with, maybe you have to press the ear a little bit because the vinyl right now is too soft, but you don't have to do a lot of effort, you know. Just one eye is inside and the other two. Don't be worried if you put this like this. It's okay. You don't have to be panicked. Just you have to take the toothpick and to position. You see, like this. You are. I want to show you. I don't have the perfect angle, but I want to show you. You wrap from here, try not damage the inside part of the eyes, and you pull down. You see, it's very easy. Look at she gorgeous she is. I never tried this before, but I think, let me show you. Oh my goodness, she's so beautiful. Can you see? I don't know if you can see because of the light. Oh, I love this girl, how she turned on. And it is so easy to position the eyes. Can you see? Let me show you, because here I have my green wig. I don't know how it's gonna look, but I am just, look, these beautiful wigs. The color combination. Let me see how she, if you never put the wig like this is a good way to put the wigs. Another thing you are learning right now. Well, I don't know if you can see, but she is beautiful. What do you think? Look at this eyes. Can you see? Well, I think I'm going to do a custom look like this. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and share with someone you know, maybe need some kind of advice. You can follow me also on Instagram at doll.e.of.kind or Facebook. So thank you, and if you like it, please subscribe. Thank you, and we are going to see you next time. Bye bye.